John, thank you very much indeed. No better elixir than a drop of sunshine, certainly. And I think the general theme for the week ahead is the further south and east you are, the better the chances that you are going to in fact see some sunshine, even if the week doesn't quite start off that way. And you'll see what I mean in just a second. It's largely due, in fact, to the influence of this front, just perilously close to the eastern coastal fringes there of southeast England and East Anglia. And then looking further towards the west, well, we've got this low pressure providing a fair amount of rain for Northern Ireland and eventually southwestern Scotland, the western side of Wales, and down into the West Country later on this afternoon. But quite a pleasant afternoon in prospect for many folk. Temperatures still really decent indeed, not quite as high as we had yesterday, thankfully, getting up to around about 22 or so. Now, the general theme for the week is for this low pressure to dominate, certainly for the first couple of days. It then gradually fills, high pressure then beginning to build into the southeastern quarter, and then come towards the second end of the week, well, I think we're going to see here low pressure certainly dominant across Northern Ireland, feeding in a lot of shower activity as we finish off the week. So let's take a look at how the temperatures are going to pan out. They've fallen quite markedly as that front has worked its way through. But as we work through the week, so I think we'll find a gradual increase in temperatures yet again across many central and eastern parts of the British Isles. So let's take the week in halves, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday first. And there the low pressure with the front perilously close, as I say, really not getting away until Wednesday. And there you see the situation. It's then that we look towards the west to see more unsettled conditions. So pretty wet in that southeastern quarter, a fair few showers for northern and western areas. In between, somewhat drier and brighter conditions. For Tuesday, well, still the threat of heavy rain down in that southeastern quarter. Could even be the odd rumble of thunder there, but generally across the country, really quite a pleasant day, a great day for outdoor work. But then late on, well, perhaps you might just see some cloud thickening over the western side of Northern Ireland. The shape of things to come, you'll remember, as we look towards the west for the fronts beginning to come in during the course of Wednesday. But elsewhere, generally fine, dry, and really decent sunshine over in many eastern parts. Into the second half of the week, well, there's the chart for Wednesday. Those fronts bringing the rain in towards Ireland and the western side of Scotland too. As we move on through Thursday, well, that front taking a time to move across. Still plenty of activity in the north. Generally weaker, though, as it comes down towards the southeast. And they'll take a time to get down there, I assure you. And then by Friday, well, there's the low pressure feeding in a lot of that shower activity. Here the winds, not particularly strong in the central parts to start off with, but you'll notice they really do surge as we move on towards the second half of the week. And I think as we move into Thursday and Friday, well, we're going to see